Hello Bright Win fans, recently Bright has said something that made Bright Win a little happy. As we all know that Bright and Win are now in different agencies and so they are not seeing with each other publicly now. However, Bright once said that nothing has changed in their friendship no matter what. Recently Bright had an interview. He revealed many things in that interview. He said that he is in love now and he is very happy in his relationship. As we all know, he and actress Poorna Penpipit are in relationship since long time now. He said that he is very much happy in his relationship. We as fans are very happy for them and wish them a very good luck for their future. In same interview, when interviewer asked that how he felt while working with Win Metawin, he said that he and Win are really very close to each other. They are real buddies. He further said that with Win Metawin he really be a real him, he never have to portray anything in front of him. He said that, when I protect Win, I am so real with him, and it feels like, oh fuck, I fell in love with the boy. He said I never felt like that before, I never ever feel like that in my real life. But as Sarvat, Win is everything for him. So this was the statement he made on interview. This moment is so wholesome moment as they never fake anything. Their friendship, their understanding was real with each other, and that is the reason they are one of the most loved Thai BL couple. We really want to see them as the actors together more, but as of now we have to wait for this. But we really love the Win and Bright and we wish them a very happy future for their careers.